How can I connect via SSH, Putty, to my VMware machine, Ubuntu? I'm trying to connect to my VMware Workstation 7.1.3 machine, Ubuntu Lucid, via SSH. I've read through some other posts, but I can't figure this out. I ran ifconfig and got a inet address column and cast and mask column, which appear to be IP addresses. If I try to connect via Putty SSH to any of those addresses, it doesn't work. I also tried connecting to my IP address from whatisnet.com. Note, this is all taking place on the same desktop computer.
Is the package OpenSH server installed on your Ubuntu VM? You'll need that package if you want to connect to it by SSH. You can make sure by opening a terminal, through VMware's console, I guess, on Ubuntu and running.
How to do it? Here are the complete steps. Just follow these steps. In the terminal use command, sudo apt-get install OpenSH server. Switch to bridged networking mode, make the change in the virtual machine control panel, edit in GT, virtual machine settings. Reboot the VM. Run ifconfig command in terminal and amp, get a net address of eth0. That's all. Now use this IP to connect via SSH. I use Putty in my Windows 8.
If the network is configured properly, either with port forwarding or as bridged and SSH is still not working, from the question text that seems to be the case, then it's either that SSH is not installed or not running. For example, SSH is not running by default on Kali although it's already installed. You'll have to run it yourself. To start the SSH service,
check if the SSH is allowed or not allowed in your firewall settings. If you use Linux with a GUI, it might be like this. Click on System and GT, Administration and GT, Security Level and Firewall. Click on Firewall Option tab, enable it, apply and save. Here you can allow Telnet and HTTPS as well. Thanks.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.